of the things that so many men don't even know is that when you and your partner are planning to have a baby, the woman is not the only person that should prepare her body. You should also prepare your body. You need to be healthy so that you can produce healthy sperm cells, because the quality of your sperm cells can change a lot of things in that pregnancy. It can determine what the DNA of the baby will contain. It can determine the health of that baby. It can determine if that pregnancy will be carried to term or not. It can determine the outcome of the pregnancy. And I'm talking about preparation months before you get pregnant. The preconception care is not just for the woman. That includes eating healthy. You can't just be swallowing anything you see because you are not the one that will carry the pregnancy now. No. You will make that diet change. You have to start including veggies, fruits in your diet. Maintain a healthy weight. Shed that excess weight. If you've not been exercising, start it. Stay in shape. When you're maintaining a healthy diet, it makes it easier for you to maintain a healthy weight. Exercise moderately. Just avoid the high intensity exercises. We are not trying to be a bodybuilder. We are only trying to stay healthy to make a baby. Stay hydrated as much as you can. I can't even believe that some people can go the whole day without taking water. I don't know how people do it. Oh, you sweat, you pee, yet you don't drink water unless you are reminded or unless you eat. Some don't even drink water after they eat. Some will tell you, I'll drink when I feel like. You don't know that getting thirsty means you're already dehydrated. So if you're waiting for you to feel like drinking water, it means you've used up everything. Your kidneys are weeping already. So drink water even if you don't feel like. You go about your activities. If you do, pour small water inside your mouth. Keep your system running. Avoid harmful substances. Avoid alcohol abuse. Excessive alcohol. Some men think it is a flex to say, one carton of beer like this, I can finish it in 2 seconds. I can finish 3 crates of beer. I can finish this, how many bottles of this and that. It is not a flex, so you're messing with your health, aside the other consequences that will come with it. But when you know you guys are in the baby making era, you need to stay healthy as well. Work on your stress levels. Try to distress. Nwoke needs to do this, nwoke needs to do that. You need to also rest. If you just feel like say, I feel rugged them now. Man they hustle, man they sleep. Which time man get to the rest? Whenever you see time to sleep or rest, please take it. That is why it's as if men even die faster, because a lot of you don't prioritize your health. You don't go to the hospitals. You don't do any form of checkup. You make mouth with it. Since when they born me, I never near hospital. That's not a flex. One day you go just slump and cry from there. You don't even know what your blood pressure look like. You've never checked your blood sugar, which are the 2 major silent killers. They don't warn you before they grab you. You won't know. You might just be functioning, and then midway, the person is gone. No warning, no sign, no symptom. I don't go to the hospital. Once I don't drink this, once I don't drink that, I don't get myself. It's a form of carelessness. You don't value your health. So even when you're about to make a baby, you still don't make any changes. Go to the hospital, get checked. Check even for STDs. Days are gone when they say, now elderly people, they get high BP, they get sugar. Even kids can get hypertensive. Kids can get diabetic. Children. So we're past that stage of elderly people sickness. When you are ill, go to the hospital, get proper treatment. Malaria. It is not always malaria. Don't allow it to escalate and get worse. That's your idea of alternative medicine. Is very, very risky, because you may be trying to treat a particular disease condition and you end up with extra 5. Your vital organs will start suffering it. Liver will enlarge, kidneys will shut down. Normalize going to the hospital. Also, I don't see any reason why a man should be wearing tight jeans. I don't know how that practice came to be. I don't know what makes it look good in the eyes of the men that practice that. But you have no business with tight underwears, tight trousers. There is a reason why God kept your balls outside your body, unlike the women that have their eggs inside their bodies. God made it that way because your testicles are supposed to stay at a lower temperature, about 34 degrees Celsius, which is lesser than the human body temperature, because that lower temperature is the best temperature for it to survive and stay viable and produce viable sperm cells. But if you now try to be wiser than God and you're wearing tight underwears, tight trousers, you are suffocating your testicles. They don't get enough air. They don't stay cool to maintain that low temperature. You are heating them up. So of course, the quality of the sperm cells you produce will be affected. Moreover, Some of you with the excuse of I'm living in a country that is very cold, the water you use to wash your body is extremely hot. Nobody said you should have a cold bath there. Yes, you're trying to stay warm, but your bathing water should not be so hot that there's not much difference between it and the one coming directly from the kettle. Try and stay healthy. It is not only a woman that has work to do when it comes to making a baby. You are producing a part of the materials needed. So start making these lifestyle changes from today.